Blackout Bingo updates can change gameplay, promotions, payment options, and account features, so the version currently installed on your device matters more than an old review. By the end, you'll know what to check after an update and how to separate genuine app changes from temporary promotions or account-specific features. Start with the App Store listing for Blackout Bingo and check the current version and update notes available for your device. The update information is the first place to look when you want to know what the developer has officially changed. Then open Blackout Bingo and compare the main screens with what you used previously. Check the game lobby, tournament options, wallet or balance section, withdrawal area, and account settings. These areas matter because an update can change where a feature appears without necessarily changing how the feature works. A redesigned menu can make something look new, even when the underlying option is still the same. Promotions need a separate check. A new bonus, tournament, or limited time offer is not automatically a permanent app feature. Open the promotion inside Blackout Bingo and read the displayed eligibility requirements before assuming it applies to every player. Payment features should also be checked directly in your account. If a withdrawal method appears or disappears after an update, use the current options shown in the app rather than relying on screenshots from older videos. The same rule applies to game availability. If a tournament or game mode is missing, check the current lobby and any account notices before assuming it has been permanently removed. For a clean update check, compare three things: the App Store update information, the current Blackout Bingo interface, and the rules displayed for any new promotion or feature. You should also keep your expectations realistic when reading online update reports. A feature mentioned by another player may be limited by location, account eligibility, platform, or a temporary promotion. The most reliable information for your account is what Blackout Bingo currently displays on your device and in its official update information. So the practical next step is simple. Update Blackout Bingo through your device's official app store. Open the app and check the game lobby, account balance, withdrawals, and promotions for any changes. The key points are that update notes show official changes, promotions can be temporary, and account-specific features may not appear for every player. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app updates, payment guides, and beginner walkthroughs.